and welcome back to another belated Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box opening, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. I believe this is, let's see, the card. Yeah, this is the June 2021. Unfortunately, they no longer have the list of products with the info about them and the prices on the cards anymore. Now they just have these little things. Hey, Beetle reference, but I mean, yeah, it doesn't exactly give us much to go on, so these are much quicker videos to make now, on one hand. On the other, very bummed that I don't have that info at the ready. Especially because sometimes they told me what the hell these things are for and how to use them. So I guess I have to do more research now than I used to, but that's okay. So on here it says, summer is more than a season, it's a state of mind. You deserve to rock that neon liner, swipe that bright gloss, and go full-on bold for you. Break your beauty rut and create a splash. And then the rest of it's just like there's a giveaway thing on the back. There's stuff about maximizing your SPF in here, and that's it. So the bag looks very much like the normal just Glam bag. The other one was a yellow background. This one's got a green background with a little yellow taggy. And it's just a bunch of chicks sunbathing. Kind of cool. Not my favorite bag I've ever gotten from them, but that's okay. So then into the stuff here. I do have some bonus products, but I will go through all of them. I remember, I think, the ones that were in the box itself and then the things I added on. So the thing I'm most excited about that I got is a Purelease. It's a Purelease Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm, which anything from the Purelease Watermelon line, I am initially just automatically here for. And the fact that I got one of these in Ipsy, and then I got a different Purelease Watermelon thing from Allure in the same month. I am so over the moon right now, guys. So, Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm is a lightweight, oil-free gel cream balm that instantly energizes, refreshes, and soothes skin while providing hydration. Watermelon is packed with vitamins A, B, and C, and antioxidants that are vital for skin health. Aloe vera and cucumber soothes, while white tea protects skin from cellular damage. You cleanse your skin, and then you smooth this over your face morning and night. So I guess basically this is a moisturizer, essentially, is what I'm getting. Like, given they call it a balm, I'm assuming it's probably a little thicker, but let's see, is there a little foil thing or no? Yeah, there is. Okay, so I can't, like, take a sneak peek at the consistency, but since it's kind of a jelly type one, I think I could probably put this in my skincare fridge. Yeah? Yeah? Maybe, guys? Anyone who knows yes or no? Let me know. Because I know certain skincare things you can, certain ones you can't. I'm still in the process of learning which ones you can and can't. So I think, though, that this one can, since it's oil-free. And it's a gel cream, specifically. So the gel makes me think yes. The cream makes me think maybe. So I'll have to see the consistency of it. I'll ask around and see what people think. But I believe this one can. So yay. Then I have a Dr. Brandt Porous No More Luminizing Primer. Gives a natural-looking backlight glow. Revives dull complexions, helps refine the look of pores, which, since my pores are freaking massive, that is fantastic. And this one, light up your complexion with a combination of optical diffusers illuminating crushed stardust pearls and pore perfecting ingredients to help refine and lessen the look of pores, providing a subtle sheen and smoother canvas. So, you apply it on clean, moisturized skin, use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin, or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless AM and PM. Or application AM and PM. So I am curious how all that would look on its own. I mean, I generally skip foundation, so I would probably just do it as like a highlighter. We can get a little bit of a look of the color here. It's on the tip. I'm not sure. I'll have to play with it a little. It might be okay on its own, kind of like a highlighter. I should try it. I'm not going to try it this second, but I am very, very interested to see how it looks. If it doesn't look right on its own, I can put foundation over it, but I'd like, you know, the luminizing stuff to come through. So, I don't know. I'll have to play. I've also got this Chianti London Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow. And what color is this? Entwine. Okay. It's a big ol' honkin' thing. Look how big that is, although I think most of that's just the lid. And the color looks like this. It's very pretty. Is it this a loose or a pressed? It's hard to say. I think it's pressed, but I don't want to tip it too far in case I'm wrong. But that's what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. Cannot wait to try that one on. Okay. Whoops. Heavy too, because the acrylic or the glass, whatever that's made of. I got another set of these Farrah brushes. Literally no info about them. Awesome. But I mean, they look like that. Let's see. Let's take them out. They might be labeled of what exactly they are. And if they are, I can tell you. And they fell out. Except for one. Come on. Come on out, you. This one's being real shy. Oh my god, really? This one does not want to come out. Okay, so let's start with it. This one is a tapered blending brush. It looks pretty cool. Some kind of loose bristles here that I'm not super feeling, but the rest of it's pretty cool. So yeah, I can definitely use that. Put it back in now. We have a large shading brush. These might all be shading brushes for all I know. This is called Fly Wings. I assume it's just for winged eyeliner, maybe? Does anyone know? Not positive. It's a very flat brush. This one is called Short Shading. And then we have, I guess these are all eye brushes. A mini tapered blending. Well, that's kind of cool. They're all really soft. So that's those. And then I think the last of the ones that was actually from this box itself, that wasn't an add-on. This is by Araceli, and it's the Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner in Night/Noche, so it's black. Very, very pointy tip on there. Very, very happy with that. Not happy with how loose that cap is, though. That feels like it's gonna dry out in no time flat, so maybe I should use this sooner rather than later, because I am not trusting that lid. So then my add-ons. Got another thing of the Hey Honey Show Your Glow Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Mask. Made to smooth, firm, and hydrate your skin. It's an anti-aging one. I think I have 2 or 3 of this one now, but I really like it, so I got that with some add-on points. I got a replacement of the Little Moon Essentials Peppermint Stick Frosty Lip Balm, because the one that I got around December, I opened it up and it had bumps all over it. Isn't that cute? And it had been too long to ask him for a replacement, but it just happened to be in the section where you can redeem points, so I got another one, and this one looks fine, so I better review it sooner than later to try to guarantee that does not happen with this one, too. That smells really good. I did check it, and currently all looks well, because if it didn't, I would have been reaching out immediately. And then this is one of those, like, little $3 thingies, or 5 for 2, I think it was. $5 bundles. So this is the K-Voss Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter in Moonlight. It's made with evening primrose oil and artichoke, which, that's different. So, I will take that out and show you guys. But it's like right in my wheelhouse of highlighter colors that I love so much. I'll cover the little mirror so we don't blind you. And yeah, look at that. Yes, I did swatch already. But yeah, look how pretty. That's gonna look real nice on. And then, finally, last thing in this box. is a blush that I hope will be okay. It's the Glow 2 Illuminating Blush in Pinch Me. It's a cool little marbly thing. I'm not sure how it works, but I'm really tripped out by it. It looks like it's tie-dyed. Look at that. It's like pink and gold swirls. It's so trippy. I love it. I can't wait to play with it. So now that I've done this unboxing, now I can play with it. So anyway, guys, that is it for this one in this Beauty Glam Bag Plus box. Get everything back in here and we'll do our sign off. Anyways, you guys know what to do. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.